Here I have finished stuffing one hand and I'm going to do the other. I've only put 3 chenille stems in the hand because it's a mitt hand. It doesn't really need a whole lot in it. So I'm just going to, basically, you know, you want to be able to bend it, but it doesn't matter really how many you have in it. So there's one little stem in the thumb, so I just use the tube, I've already bent that top over, so you just push the stem into the tube like that, only up to about there. Now I'm just going to place it in the mitt up there. So there it is, and I'll just hold on to that and pull it out. And another one. And in it goes beside it. So that's all I'm going to put in there. I'm just going to bend these edges over. Don't want anything sharp sticking in, so just twist them around like that, and then just bend it over like that so that it's just nice and soft. Pull that through there. So now I'm going to fill it up with stuffing. So just put this in here. Just placing it. I want it to, because that one's turning that way, I want it to be turning this way a wee bit. So just pushing that stuffing into the right down there. And it just goes around that wire armature. So that's filling up nicely. A little bit more. With these hands, I'm just going to attach them to the shoulder. I'm not going to give them a shoulder. So that's a nice little shape there. That's up a bit too high for what I want, so I'll just bend that over. So there you go. That's nice and flat there. So this one I want to be looking this way, so I'm just bending it in that way a wee bit. Before I attach that, I'm just going to mark in the fingers.